I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gallardo983 here. So today, let's go ahead and look at how to invest $1,000 in 2018. So before we start this, if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button on here and the bell button next to it to stay notified on my future videos. I've been making a lot of trading progress, and I've been showing my swing trades and different trades that I've been taking, but I want to focus more on the investing side from now on, and just so that there's an equality between them. So first of all, let's go ahead and look at the chat room that I have. The link to this is going to be in the description below, and it's completely free to join. I do call out my swing trading alerts and my long-term investing alerts on here, so if you don't want to just see the videos but also want to stay live and updated on the calls, then that's a great way to talk to other people and look at the calls that I have on here. So let's go ahead and jump into the three funds that I'm going to show you for investing. So the first one is going to be SPYG. This one is the S&P 500. It's a growth ETF, and this tracks almost similar to the SPY, which is the S&P 500, the index fund. You can go ahead and Google what it has, the SPYG holdings, if you just Google that. And like Morningstar, they show you the portfolio of it. So these are the top holdings that they have, and you can see how many shares, percentage of it, and when they bought it, and the year return and the PE ratio. So if you don't know what these are, it's a great time to learn all these numbers and values and terms before you get into this. So I like to look at the holdings before I get into any ETF. So you can see these are all big ones. These are all well known, and they're not going down anytime soon. They're not penny stocks or anything like that. So you can look at these. They have Apple, Microsoft, Boeing, Home Depot, Visa, and I know that these are all steady growing and long-term holdings. So you can go ahead and look at the holdings for each one that I show. I'm going to be showing you three, like I said, and this also has a 4-star on this one. So the first one is SPYG, as I said, and this has steady growth. You want to be looking for something like this in your portfolio, whether it's a 401k, Roth IRA, SEPA IRA, or just any growth account or investing account. You want to look at overall growth over a long period of time. So you do want to have some small dips here and there, just to show that it's a healthy correction or a healthy dip, and you can get in whenever the next dip happens. And it looks like it's about right over here, since we had a recent correction about 2 weeks ago, and that was February 2018. So this is the first one I'm going to be showing you. The next one is going to be PWB, and this is another growth fund. You can see that this is similar to the SPYG. It's growing steadily and just has a nice almost steady line to it. You can draw it on there. So that's what you want to have in your portfolio. That's PWB. And the next one, the last one I'm going to show you, is DGRO. This is a dividend growth. Basically, they have a lot of dividend funds on these one. I know Apple, Boeing, and Bank of America, they all pay great dividends, and they have these holdings in them, and they basically reinvest that dividends. I know Coca-Cola is one of the biggest ones. Warren Buffett actually has many shares of those, and he basically just gets millions a year because he's been loading up. He will never sell a share of Coca-Cola, he said, because he gets millions in dividends just for holding that stock for a long term. So that's the three I'm going to be showing you on there, and you can look at the 180 day just to see when to get in, or you can look at the one year chart. So let's just take DGRO for example. So it was around 29.30 about a year ago, and right now it's about 37. So that's $7 per share profit. So with $1,000, you can, if you split it up, you can get about 10 to 20 shares each of these ones. And that's up to you. You can look at the holdings on Morningstar like I showed you and see what they have if you like it. then you can buy the individual ones, or you can buy these ETFs, which are exchange trade funds, which combine all of these funds. They have all of them in there, so you don't have to buy an individual one. So that's why I like ETF investing, and that's what I've been doing, and it's been working great. So I hope it works out for you guys, whether it's $1,000 or $1 million or even $10 that you're starting with. It's a great time to jump in and invest, and the sooner you start, the more it builds up, and it grows parabolic, basically just grows steadily monthly, and later on you'll see exponential growth, and you'll be set for retirement. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be making more like these, and I do call out all my investing and swing trading alerts in my chat room, so you can see on here recently we had over $20 per share profit on SOXL and also SPY. That's the bigger one. We had $15 per share profit on this one. So if you want to see more like this, then go ahead and join the chat room. It is growing very fast, and it's completely free. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe and the bell button next to it to stay notified on my future videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take care.